Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your Motorola Moto G9 Plus, for the first you have to go for your Instagram account and just select the picture that you want to get. So I will take this one. After that we have to go for the Play Store, and in the search pool we have to type Repost for Instagram, and we have to take this application. Here we got the full name of the app, so when you find it you can just simply get it. Right now let's open it. Click here, and after that just simply go back, go for the Instagram one more time and click here on these three dots in the right upper corner. Go for the share, and then you have to go for the Repost for Instagram application. Right now just go for it, and here we got all of these pictures that went in the post. So I would like to take this one. We can take off this signature by clicking right here, and if you want to save it, just click on the middle button, and after that we can just check if it is working. So let's open the file manager, and will be in the downloads probably, or no, maybe in the images, and yes, here it is. So as you can see, that's how we can download the pictures. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.